2007 Dodge Ram Quad Cab, 89,000 miles. Yes, 89,000 miles. An amazing condition for its age. Good luck finding a door ding on this thing. Bed liner, tow package, brand new tires, brakes. Everything works on the vehicle. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like I said, a super clean truck. Cloth seats are in great condition. Original floor mats, power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control, factory radio. 89,715 miles. Carfax report. No rips on the center console like you see all the time. '2007 Dodge Ram Quad Cab, 89,000 miles, two-wheel drive, in wonderful condition.